This week, seeing the opening of the Egyptian stock market for the first time since the protests began, I thought it might be an interesting exercise to examine the technical position of the market. This chart shows the Egyptian CMA index, their version of the S&P composite. Underneath is my special K, a series that combines short, intermediate and long-term momentum into one indicator. The objective is to give you a bird's eye view of how these trends interact. You can plot it for free at Pring.com under KST charting. One technique I use is to construct a trend line against the special K, and when this is confirmed by a similar break in the price series, this gives a timely, accurate, and important buy or sell signal. Here's another sell signal. And here's the current setup. As you can see, the special K has violated its line, but the price is below its trend line, and therefore hasn't yet confirmed. The special K is also broken above this line, so we have a couple of strong momentum buy signals. I've also put in the long-term KST or smooth momentum in the bottom window to give a better feel as to the current position of the cycle. And it's rising and at a subdued condition, an ideal one for an emerging bull market. The green highlights indicate when the CMA is above the dashed red line, which is a 65-week EMA. Red is when it's below. As you can see, there have been some pretty good signals in the last few years. Right now, the index is below both the line and the EMA at 1525. So if it can move decisively above that level, say to 1550 on a Friday close basis, I'd say the Egyptian market was a buy. If so, what's a poor non-Egyptian investor to do? Well, this chart shows the market vector's Egyptian ETF, symbol EGPT, or in some systems as EGPT period K. It's clearly oversold on a near-term basis, and it's not been trading long enough for us to be able to calculate the 65-week EMA or the long-term KST. However, if it moves above the 100-day moving average at $19.50, that would probably do the trick, especially as its 200-day counterpart is slightly lower. Incidentally, if you want to follow the CMA itself, you can always get the latest quote from Yahoo. However, Yahoo doesn't provide us with a chart, so you'd need to go to this site just here, which is one of the few sites on the internet that I've been able to find that will allow you to plot the CMA itself. Enjoyed this chart of the month, you may want to go to Pring.com and download a free sample of our intermarket review. A monthly roundup of the world's principal financial markets with a special emphasis on the US. We also look at global indicators, bonds, precious metals, currencies and international markets using ETFs to execute our strategies as much as possible. You'll find unique indicators and intermarket relationships you cannot find anywhere else. In the meantime, thanks for watching and good luck and good charting.